Are what we really like to do, and this is one of our favorite walks. We're going to walk at Waterfall Glen. Me and Cecilia, we're doing Waterfall Glen wherever she's at, and there she is, Waterfall Glen South. And so enjoy the walk with us. And it's extremely sunny. Getting ready to head down a little hill. I turned it off for a second. I wanted to put my gloves on as we walked. As you can see, because we've seen some people slip and fall. We have on our walking shoes, as you can tell, both of us. Kind of prevents you from slipping and sliding. I just slid. I wear the Adidas. Cecilia wears the New Balance. Whoops. We're headed towards the overlook right now. So I'm going to keep this on. It's a nice little view. How are you doing?
Good.
You enjoying the walk today?
I am. I wish I'd remembered my hat because this is getting cold, so I have to keep my hand like this, but it's a good day to be out.
Well, just think, next week you're gonna be walking where?
On the sand, at the beach.
At the beach.
80, 85 degrees.
Yep, daily.
Yep.
Here at the overlook, we came this way so that we can see something a little bit different, because it's so pretty from up here. And you can see the waterfall down there. It's frozen. So, you know, there's nothing going on. There's some people down there. I don't know if you can see them. You can see some people walking along the river or the little canal that goes through there. Maybe we can make it all the way back to the stuff for the, what's the place on Lake, where they have the overhead? That they take it to Lincoln Park Zoo. Yeah. So you can see some people down there at the waterfall, which is frozen.
Get along.
How's it going? All right. Are you cold?
Not yet.
Not yet.
You know, there's some science that says, I don't know, cold immersion helps to build brown fat, which burns more calories.
Okay.
Yeah, like there's something good about being cold. Yeah.
Who knew?
Yeah.
Great trees. Okay, until the next stop. So we're coming up on our next to last checkpoint. It's, you know, it's just our thing. When we're out here walking, we know where we're going when we're out here. It's a little, this is a lot of silicone. It may look muddy, but you don't sink down in it and it's not going to stick to you. We don't normally go that way. We normally go over this way. So let's just take a look where we are so you can get an idea. We're about so if you're looking at this map, this is where we are right now. We started over here, so we've done 1.36 miles, and we're going to go back here to the old Lincoln Park nursery. So you'll see it. That'll be our next checkpoint, and then we'll turn around and we'll head back home. So we're a mile and a half out from the parking lot, and we came across this thing here. We're going to walk back over here, but let's get a little bit of the history before we do it. So this is the transplanted history of the former nursery for Lincoln Park Zoo. So it's pretty cool. And so we're going to actually go inside that structure and walk back in there a little bit. Here it is. Now this is muddy because we're off trail right here. And you can see Lincoln Park nursery entryway right here. So let's go inside. And you can see it's a small little entry. I don't know how it was structured when it was first built up, but it's pretty cool to find this here. When you're out walking, you don't expect it. Cecilia is looking at the sign a little bit more. Maybe she'll give us a little bit more information when we walk over there and we get a chance to talk to her. So what'd you find out? Anything new?
No, they transplanted the land from Lincoln Park and brought it here so they could grow trees and shrubs and put them back over there along the lakefront. That's what this is about.
That's what this is all about. Okay. Yeah. So obviously there's a big wall here. It was more than just this little area. Actually, I'm going to walk down here so you can see the wall, the retaining wall. So obviously they got a lot of stuff from down here. If you're not walking this, you're not going to see this stuff. Go some more of the walkways there, or maybe who knows, whatever they use that for. Looks like it's getting ready to end right here. Oh, it goes way back. There's a big turn. Let's go off trail just a little bit. Wow. Who knew? Well, we're going to stop right here because I don't feel like fighting with the overgrown trees and what have you. And as you can see, it's getting a little bit darker. And I don't feel like dealing with any coyotes going too far out. All right. Getting ready to head back. This has been a lot of fun. We do this every Sunday, and we invite a lot of people to walk with us, and frankly, some make it, some don't. We always enjoy those people who make it with us. It's a great exercise. We usually burn, 10,000 steps just getting to our goals. So that's putting you just under 4 miles. I think that's a little over 4 miles. All right, signing off. Until we send you a next video from Puerto Vallarta. Nueva Vallarta, Bucieras, Sayulita, Pitiao, Columsco, I think that's how you pronounce it. But we'll be talking to you later. Bye. I haven't turned backwards, no. So we just finished our walk. How do you feel?
Good. Oh,
You gonna do it again? Of course. All right. Well,
that was 2.8 miles.
No, hold on. getting a beautiful sunset of you.
All done.
Walk past it. Thank you. Fantastic. Some other people who enjoyed the walk, they were close to us. It's a nice sunset.
Yes, beautiful.